Oh wow, this game, it looks good. So there's sprinting in this game. Eats or interacts. Well, no shit, Sherlock. Oh, there's this alien-looking boy. We got green guy, and we got red guy, and then we got white guy, and then we got oh, I think it's Opila bird, and then we got blue-looking guy. Don't know their names. The only one's name I know is Opila bird. So E, can I do anything? What do I do? Joshua, what do I do?
I don't know.
Hey, what do I do?
Just said I don't know. I've never played this.
Um, oh, key
I
card.
love shooting people with buckshot.
Key card. All right. I will be playing the games in order. What's this? What's this do? Did I just? Is this a drone?
Yeah, the drone is how you do anything in the game.
Okay, so I need batteries. Um.
Without that drone, you can't do anything.
Okay, so this, no. Do I need? Where do I get batteries?
Don't know.
Oh, I found a battery, and I found the other battery. How do I? Oh wait, does it? Does it drive itself?
No, you have to control it.
Oh, left mouse button to. Oh, I see how this works.
Oh. Ugh. Michael,
What's up?
I got
I feel like this game is very puzzle based.
I
Oh
jumped in
no,
for
dude.
Michael. I got sent to Jesus.
My dumbass did a hammer.
What a hammer! If that is what you just said, I will throw you at a wall.
My little
Hey, Michael,
drone. What's up?
shoddy is like a melody.
Laughter is the best medicine. No.
Is the bird coming?
I know their colors. I remember already. I have to put in their colors.
You remember?
Ooh, what's this? I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have a party without me. Miss Mason scene. I'm scared. I actually forgot I have face cam. Oh, there's a bird coming towards me. There's a bird coming towards me.
Told you.
What do I do? Get juked out. I've. Oh, you can't get
The
too
one where
close
there's a
to it.
ramp going to it.
No. What do I do?
I don't know what to do after that.
But how do I get on to that area?
Don't know. You just said I don't know. Learn to listen, Michael.
Because look, she's gonna get off and then she's gonna touch me.
Run towards her.
I'm gonna hit her with the drone. Oh, do I juke her out or something?
Yes.
This damn bird. Alright, I think I have an idea. What I'm gonna do is uh because there's nowhere I can go to save myself. I'm kind of just funkle-dunkled. So I gotta juke the bird out and go over there, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna juke the bird. Hey, kill yourself.
Whoa, Michael.
Come on,
Settle down there, buddy.
come on, come on, puss. How? Feels like they have like a death wall. Or if you go inside that death wall, you just die. I'm unsure of what to do. Uh, can I go over there? I can't even go over there. Was I supposed to read that note? Was that note important? Is there a button I need to hit or something? Because look, I'm gonna try to run it. What is this? Oh no! And this ground part right here, so I think I'm gonna try that. Okay, button, hit, button, button hit.
Did you button hit, Michael?
That bird is coming after me. I just died. Or should I jump right into the bird and see what happens?
You could try it. I don't really care.
Hey, Opila bird. Hey, hit. Hey, you can kind of do that now. Go away. Second I get on here, it's chase time, motherfucker. Oh my god. I'm running. I can no longer run.